Welcome to Chile, Santiago! Good morning! Now here at the center of Santiago doing a walking tour. Santiago view from the top of San Cristobal. We took the funicular.
This is mote con huesillos, which is dried peach boiled in water with sugar and barley. Interesting, everybody's ordering.
First dinner. Santiago, Chile. Lunch, seafood.
Asian food for them. Healthy food, right?
Ito pa. Tacos, burrito, and quesadilla. Local Chilean delicacy or sweet. Hawakan mo.
This is the natural state of the puree. The puree is this red thing, kind of flesh, and this is how you find in nature. It's like a rock or like a coral, but it's soft. So you can cut it, and inside is the edible part, the animal, inside. There it is. So I have to remove it. It's a big one. You can eat this, the whole thing. So you can see the inside. This, all of that green part, brown, is the intestine, and it's edible too. It's edible too.
Bitter, very bitter.
Yeah. So some people prefer to remove it. Very good for health. It's very good for thyroid. It's very good for stomach too. Also, it has aphrodisiac properties, so this is very good for men. In this world, there must be about 15. If you don't like, don't be afraid to speak, okay? The most of the people like. There's one man. You like?
Made in 83 in the 80s was that nostalgia that make
Beautiful city, beautiful artwork.
but there couldn't be biodynamic because my house. In the second floor also there's a nice
Hug. Hug. Kiss. Yum, yum.
palatable. So please, a very warm welcome here to Emiliano Organic Vineyard. Chardonnay.
We're on top of the Santa Lucia hill.
Yes, very nice view from this top of the hill.
Show them all the view and the sunset.
Yes, and you're waiting for the sunset here. Tayo na tayo.
Ano tawag sa snacks na to? Affordable.
Sabi na ni
Is it
Joe
good?
kanina. Everything pang guys. We're leaving Santiago. We spent 4 days here and there's a lot of things to see. My favorite is walking around Valparaiso with so much artwork.
My favorite is hanging out in the park, especially the park for kids.
I like the hill and the
The
view.
two viewpoints.
And you'll see the Andes Mountain in the background.
San Cristobal Hill
San
and
Cristobal.
also
Terrazzo. Thank you. See you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.